So we're in room 614 in the Seaside Village at Beaches, Turks and Caicos. This is a category LV1. So you walk in, you have your living area to the right on this one, and then you have the master in here. I'll start with that. You can come in. Nice bedding. Got plenty of storage over there. I'll back over here so you can see it. Great big closet, its own AC. Closet does have a safe inside. And the lights automatically go on. Extra pillows. Put your safe there. And then this room has its own walkout patio, and I'll just show you the view from here. So we're facing Schooner's Restaurant, and then right over there is the beach and the docks. Right around the corner to the right here is the dive shop. So we have two loungers over here for this patio. So then we come on through. More storage, giant TV, and a full-length mirror. Right on the left as you come in from the front door, you have the bathroom, which has just a sliding barn door, kind of covers the whole area, but then when you go in it is split a bit. You have your vanity, double vanity with the backlit mirror, excuse me. Hair dryers down there, and all of your toiletries. This room also has the soaking tub. And then over here is the shower. The shower has, you see, two nozzles because they have a rain shower there and a regular shower head here, as well as a shower bench. So that's a good size. So that's split off from the toilet area with these frosted glass doors, just a standard toilet area. And then we'll go into the kitchenette. So you have some glassware up there and a microwave, coffee maker, hot water maker, and the start of your bar with a bottle of wine, and a mini fridge, which everyone wants to see all the time. Ours has some light beer, some water, some white wine, and some sodas and juices. The other side is just more storage right there. And then if you look on this side, we've got a bunch of shelves and some drawers, along with the kitchen table and pretty artwork. This is the Trundle Bed. We are a family of 5, so we'll have one sleep on the top, one sleep on the trundle, and then we will have a rollerway come in. And then there's two little ottomans that turn into tray tables. So this side also has a great big wraparound deck you can see from both sides. And then we have the TV and the entertainment center. There's also storage down there for clothing. We'll check out our view. To go this side. So that right there is back to the dive shop. Halfway along to the beach. And it has a rack for drying. There's also hooks in the shower area. Excuse me, in the tub area for your wet clothing. There's a table out here for dining, a couch, and then the loungers are on the other